Sunshine Productions. Let's take a look together. The product consists of two parts. One is without a window. You can expand it. And the other with a window. It can also be expanded. First expand the section with the window. Then unfold the other one and lay it on top vertically. Place the protruding part against its hole. Then fold the perimeter sections toward the center. Insert the top handle into the side slot to secure it. Finally, just put the other side together in the same way. Side opening for easy access to the cake. Simple and good-looking shape. Environmentally friendly material. If you are interested, please contact us.